For fiscal year 2026, the proposed national budget amounts to 6.793 trillion pesos, prioritizing programs in line with the Philippine Development Plan 2023 to 2028. In 2026, we are allocating nearly 4% of our GDP to basic and higher education, meeting UNESCO's global benchmark. Mas maigting at agarang aksyon ang ating tugon dahil bawat bukas mahalaga. Mahigit 50,000 teaching at non-teaching positions ang nalikha mula 2024. Sa susunod na taon, 65,000 pa ang malilikha upang lubusan ng matugunan ang kakulangan sa guro, maging sa school counselors at administrative staff. Noong 2024, mahigit 3,000 silid-aralan ang itinayo natin at 4,000 pa ang itatayo sa 2026. At mas marami pang barangay ang magkakaroon ng Child Development Centers bilang suporta sa early childhood education. Bilang karagdagang tugon sa krisis ng edukasyon, mahigit 600,000 tutor ang tutulong sa ating mga mag-aaral sa public schools sa ilalim ng Academic Recovery and Accessible Learning o ARAL program. This is how we advance our agenda for prosperity by nurturing future-ready generations to achieve the full potential of the nation.